Summer moving tips for Ponte Vedra Beach. Stay cool with best Miami movers. Why choose Ponte Vedra for summer moving? Ponte Vedra Beach is a gorgeous paradise nestled along the immaculate shores of Florida's northeast coast. Ponte Vedra Beach, a summer destination, offers a plethora of outdoor recreational opportunities and breathtaking scenery, making it the perfect place to capture the spirit of summer life. Summer moving tips. Summertime relocation may be difficult, particularly in hot. The following advice can help you stay cool and make the move go smoothly. Take advantage of the milder temperatures in the early morning hours by planning your relocation around this time. Protect yourself from the sun's rays by donning hats, sunglasses, and lightweight, breathable clothes. Let Best Miami Movers handle your summer relocation. Best Miami Movers, your summer moving solution. For a stress-free relocation experience in Ponte Vedra Beach over the summer, Best Miami Movers is your reliable partner. Best Miami Movers is a team of specialists with years of experience who are equipped to tackle the difficulties of summer relocation with ease. Say welcome to Ponte Vedra Beaches. Moving to Ponte Vedra Beach in the heat might be difficult, but with the correct advice and help from Best Miami Movers. With our specialists at your side, bid farewell to worry and say welcome to Ponte Vedra Beach's relaxed coastal lifestyle. Get more tips and free moving quote in our website bestpricemovingquotes.com.